Meaning of effort.
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 Effort. Effort refers to the exertion of physical or mental energy towards achieving a particular goal or task. The result of effort is typically measured by the degree of success achieved in reaching the desired outcome. In general, the greater the effort invested, the greater the likelihood of achieving success. However, success is not always guaranteed, and some outcomes may require more effort than others to achieve. Ultimately, the effectiveness of effort in achieving a particular result depends on the individual circumstances and the specific nature of the task or goal at hand.